Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can see old reels on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, to view your old reels, what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to go into your profile. From here, go into your settings menu in the top right, and here you'll see a couple of different things. Firstly, you can enter your saved files and go into all posts or whichever other galleries you've saved and search for any reels you might want there. Other than that, you can go into your activity, and here you can view your likes, comments, any other things you might want. You can also, in some versions of Instagram, search for the reels that you might want. You can also go through all of the activity you might want to go through. And another thing is, if you don't have reels saved anywhere, either in your likes, your comments, or your saved posts, you can go down in this menu and ask for a transfer of your information if you're switching devices, or you can download your information where Instagram will send you a zip file or an archive with your data to your email address, which you used for your account, or in any other different communication channel for your account. And once you put in a request, it'll take a couple of days for them to actually respond and give you access, but once they do, you'll be able to download your data, and then there you'll see any reels you might have viewed or anything of the likes, and it should be quite useful. But yeah, other than that, there's really not much else to it. You can go also to your archive if you want to. You'll see your stories archive, and you might see any stories that you posted and there are reels in them, and maybe you can find reels that way. But other than that, either your saved or your activity are going to be what is going to definitely help you find the reels you're looking for. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.